Over the last few years, one strong trend in the kitchen area of the home is the use of professionally styled appliances. Here's a good example of that. This is the Epicure from Decor, and a number of pretty cool features. First of all, you can see the lighted knobs here. It's a great safety feature because you can tell if anything is turned on from just glancing across the room, and kind of adds a little bit of style to it as well. Also, these are very precise controls that allow you to turn the burners down ultra low when you're cooking those delicacies like chocolate, or if you want to turn it up for a roaring boil, no problem. Very, very precise controls. Also, a large viewing window here that a lot of the commercial type ovens have, that you can see what's going on inside. But this is the feature I really like. Your control panel will tilt right up so that you can view it very easily. You can put in any of the controls you need to and then tuck it right out of the way. Now let's look at some of the other kitchen appliances here at the show. Some of the biggest buzz generated at this show is over the new double wall speed cook oven from TurboChef. This 30-inch retro design unit is getting attention not only because of its unique appearance, but also because of its performance. TurboChef says that the unit will cook up to 15 times faster than a conventional oven, cook the food evenly, and increase the moisture retained. The company credits dual microwaves combined with a stirring mechanism to evenly distribute them and high-speed heated air for the outstanding performance. The reception to these dishes celebrity chefs are turning out seem to support that claim. For sheer convenience, Sharp has added this new 24-inch microwave drawer, giving consumers more options for placement in smaller spaces. The touchpad control of these Caldera cooktops is another convenient feature, especially on the uniquely designed gas models. But without a doubt, the demonstrations of the induction cooktops are the most fun. The induction cooktop uses electromagnetic energy to heat the pan while the cooktop remains cooler. The results in these models we're looking at from Fagor and Windcrest are faster cooking times, better heat distribution, greater energy efficiency, and a cleaner, safer kitchen. On the cooler end of appliances, the big news is modular refrigeration. It comes in a variety of forms, like these column units from Gaggenau, cram full of features, or these under-counter units from Uline that blend in with all the base cabinets. Perlick, a longtime commercial appliance supplier, is introducing a residential line that is stackable, comes in some cool colors, and features truly separate temperature zones powered by a single compressor.